Hi, my name is Songbird, SoulChild, and I have a song to share with you all. So this song is a slower, more emotional song. It took me a while to write, and I am very excited to share it with you. So I'm going to let this song speak for itself. This song is called Last Goodbye. Once you sang to me in my sweetest dreams, and now you're my nightmare. Once you promised me that you'd be here, and you never were there, 'cause you died one night, leaving us to survive on our own. Leaving me to grieve for a woman I thought I'd known. This is my last goodbye. This is my last try to tell you that I have to go. I'm gonna tell you that I need to say no. You are the one who left out on me, made me the person I turned out to be. So now I got to go, gotta hit the road, hit the road, hit the road. No, I don't wanna be your prisoner anymore, fated to love and adore someone who doesn't deserve it. Yeah, 'cause I'd rather fly with ones who love me as I, touching stars in the sky, because I know we are worth it. But you don't, and you know the reason why. What you've done to everyone, the hurt and the lies. Now that I've seen